Well, hello and welcome to GP Support North's information mini-series all about sales order entry, showcasing the functionality and special tips for this Dynamics GP feature. Well, with that said, let's jump right into an overview on user preferences. Over to you, Brittany.
I wanted to go through a few navigational tips and tricks that aren't just good for sales, they're good for a little bit of everyone, depending where you're inside of. If you've been seeing my webinars and you really like my menu layout, okay, that is actually inside of your main Microsoft Dynamics GP, and you have a user's preferences, okay. You actually have a window command bar, and you can change it between the action pane strip, and menu bar, depending which one you like to see, okay. You can always have that information inside of there, okay. You also have this autocomplete function, okay. If any of you can turn this on or off depending on whether or not it drives you crazy or not. And you might say, what is your autocomplete section? That's when you're actually inside of any window and you put something in here once. And when you go to type it again, it starts to tell you it starts to guess what it is you want to type in. However, if you've made a spelling error and then that's no longer what you want anymore, you've tried things like, and that's not quite what you want. Now when I put it in, I have two options and one might be the wrong option. If you don't want to see the wrong option anymore, you can actually right-click it and just remove it from your list so you only see the proper transaction. However, if this function drives you crazy and you don't like the autofill, it's in your user preferences under autocomplete, and you can have it turn on or off. You can also have it removed unused entries. So if you haven't talked about that person in, I don't know, 60 days, and you just want to, take them away from your head for a while, you can actually tell you to remove unused entries after so many days, okay? And of course, you can remove entries as well. If you want to remove all of your autocomplete entries, you can remove those. However, if you're like me, I like to keep them on. I like for GP to try and guess what I'm trying to type. However, I am adventurous. I also like Google to try and guess what I like my playlist as my drive to work. Sometimes she nails it. Sometimes I don't think she knows me at all. So that's where some of those user preferences are. Of course, if you ever need to change your password, it's in here as well, okay?
Well, thanks, Brittany. What a great overview on user preferences. For more episodes on sales order entry or how GP Support North can keep you on a successful digital transformation while staying on Dynamics GP, visit gpsupportnorth.com. Well, we'll see you there.